Have you ever dreamed of a life with true financial freedom? A life where you wake up each morning without the weight of financial stress, where your days are filled with opportunities and your nights are restful, knowing that your future is secure. Imagine a life where money is no longer a source of worry, but a tool to create the life you've always imagined. Picture yourself using your wealth to travel the world, to invest in your passions, to support your loved ones, and to give back to your community. This dream is within your reach. It's not just a fantasy reserved for the lucky few. It's a reality that you can create for yourself, starting today. It all starts with understanding the incredible power of your mind. Your thoughts are more powerful than you might realize. They shape your reality, influence your actions, and ultimately determine your success. Charles F. Haanel, a pioneer in the field of mind power, taught that focused thought is essential for wealth building. He believed that by harnessing the power of our minds, we can attract the things we desire most. He believed our minds are like magnets, attracting the things we focus on most intensely. If you focus on scarcity and lack, that's what you'll attract. But if you focus on abundance and prosperity, you'll draw those things into your life. This means that focusing on wealth, truly believing in its possibility, can attract opportunities and resources into your life. Visualization is a powerful tool. When you visualize your goals, you create a mental image of what you want to achieve, and this image guides your actions and decisions. It's not about wishing for riches to fall from the sky. Wealth building requires action, dedication, and a strategic approach. It's about setting clear goals, making informed decisions, and taking consistent steps towards your financial objectives. It's about aligning your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with the vibration of abundance. When your mindset is in harmony with your goals, you create a powerful synergy that propels you towards success. This shift in perspective is crucial. It's about moving from a mindset of lack and limitation to one of possibility and potential. It's about seeing opportunities where others see obstacles and believing in your ability to achieve great things. You move from a place of lack and limitation to a space of possibility and potential. This transformation is empowering. It frees you from the chains of doubt and fear and opens up a world of opportunities. You begin to see yourself not as someone who is struggling for wealth, but as someone who is worthy of it, deserving of it, and capable of attracting it. This self-belief is a critical component of your journey to financial freedom. Remember, your mind is a powerful tool. It can be your greatest ally in your quest for wealth. Use it wisely, nurture it with positive thoughts, and watch as it transforms your reality. Use it wisely and watch as your world transforms. As you cultivate a mindset of abundance, you'll start to see changes in your life. Opportunities will present themselves, resources will become available, and you'll find yourself on a path to financial freedom. Take action today. Set clear financial goals, develop a plan, and take the first step towards achieving them. Remember, the journey to wealth begins with a single step, and every step you take brings you closer to your dreams. Celebrate your successes along the way. Each milestone is a testament to your hard work and determination. Enjoy the journey and embrace the abundance that comes your way. And as you achieve financial freedom, remember to give back. Share your wealth, support your community, and make a positive impact in the world. True wealth is not just about what you have, but also about what you give. Live a life of fulfillment, surrounded by loved ones, and enjoy the financial freedom you've worked so hard to achieve. This is the essence of wealth beyond measure. Imagine your thoughts as seeds you plant in the garden of your life. What you focus on grows. If you constantly dwell on financial worries, lack, and scarcity, you're planting seeds of negativity. These seeds will sprout into more of the same: more worry, more lack, and more scarcity. But what if you choose to plant different seeds? Seeds of abundance, prosperity, and wealth. By shifting your focus to these positive aspects, you begin to cultivate a new reality. For example, instead of thinking, "I can't afford that," try saying, "How can I create the abundance to afford that?" This subtle shift in perspective opens your mind to possibilities. You begin to see solutions and opportunities where you once saw only obstacles. Remember, thoughts are energy. Choose to focus on thoughts that resonate with abundance and watch as the universe conspires to bring your desires to life. Your subconscious mind is incredibly powerful. It operates like a supercomputer, processing vast amounts of information without you even being aware of it. This hidden powerhouse influences your thoughts, emotions, and behaviors, shaping your reality in profound ways. It doesn't judge your thoughts, it simply accepts them as instructions. Imagine it as a loyal servant, always ready to carry out your commands, whether they are positive or negative. This means that the quality of your thoughts directly impacts the quality of your life. If you constantly feed it with negative beliefs about money, such as money is the root of all evil, or rich people are greedy, your subconscious will act accordingly. It will create circumstances and attract situations that reinforce these beliefs, making it difficult for you to achieve financial success. But here's the exciting part. You can reprogram your subconscious mind. Just as a computer can be reprogrammed with new software, your mind can be updated with new empowering beliefs. This process requires consistent effort and dedication, but there are tremendous rewards. You can replace limiting beliefs with empowering ones. By consciously choosing to focus on positive thoughts and affirmations, you can overwrite the negative programming that has been holding you back. This is not just wishful thinking, it's a scientifically proven method to change your mindset and, consequently, your life. By consistently focusing on thoughts of abundance, prosperity, and wealth, you can train your subconscious to work for you, not against you. Visualization is a powerful tool in this process. When you visualize your goals as already achieved, you create a mental image that your subconscious mind strives to make a reality. Think of it this way. Every time you think a positive thought, you're planting a seed in the fertile ground of your subconscious. These seeds need to be nurtured with care and attention. Just as a gardener tends to their plants, you must tend to your thoughts, ensuring they are positive and aligned with your goals. The more you nurture these seeds, with repetition, visualization, and unwavering belief, the stronger they grow. Over time, these positive thoughts will take root and flourish, transforming your subconscious mind into a powerful ally in your quest for success. Remember, your subconscious mind is not your enemy. It's your most powerful ally. It has the potential to bring your deepest desires into reality, but only if you align it with your conscious goals. This alignment requires patience, persistence, and a deep understanding of the power of your thoughts. Align it with your conscious desires for wealth and watch as it works tirelessly to bring them into your reality. The journey to reprogramming your subconscious mind is a transformative one, filled with self-discovery and growth. Embrace this journey, and you will unlock the true potential of your mind, creating a life of abundance and fulfillment. Vision boards are a tapestry of your dreams. They are more than just a collage of images. They are a powerful tool to help you visualize and achieve your goals. Creating a vision board is a powerful way to keep your mind focused on your financial goals. It's a creative process that allows you to map out your dreams and aspirations in a tangible form. It's a visual representation of your aspirations, a tangible reminder of what you're working towards. Each image, each quote, each piece of your vision board serves as a constant reminder of your goals. Find a space where you can see your vision board every day. This daily exposure helps to keep your goals at the forefront of your mind. It could be on your bedroom wall, your office desk, or any place where you spend a significant amount of time, or even the inside of your wardrobe door. The key is to place it somewhere you will see it frequently. Surround yourself with images that inspire you, motivate you, and push you to strive for more. Choose pictures and words that resonate deeply with your personal and financial goals, and fill you with a sense of excitement and possibility. The more emotionally connected you are to your vision board, the more powerful it becomes. Look at your vision board often. Make it a habit to spend a few moments each day reflecting on it. Visualize yourself living that reality. Imagine the sights, sounds, and feelings of achieving your dreams. Feel the emotions of joy, gratitude, and satisfaction as if your dreams have already manifested. This emotional connection is crucial for the manifestation process, and accomplishment as if your dreams have already manifested. Celebrate your small victories along the way, as they are stepping stones to your larger goals. Remember, your vision board is more than just a collection of pictures. It's a powerful tool for manifestation. It's a visual affirmation of your goals and dreams. It's a powerful tool for manifestation. It helps you to stay focused, motivated, and aligned with your true desires. It helps you clarify your desires, focus your energy, and maintain a clear vision of what you want to achieve, and attract the resources you need to turn your dreams into reality. By consistently focusing on your vision board, you train your mind to recognize opportunities that align with your goals. Complement your vision board with other practices like journaling about your goals and progress. This can further solidify your commitment and keep you on track. Share your vision board with friends or family members who support your dreams. Their encouragement can provide additional motivation and accountability. Update your vision board regularly. As you achieve your goals, replace old images with new ones that represent your next set of aspirations. Reflect on your vision board and the progress you've made. This reflection can provide valuable insights and reinforce your commitment to your goals. Let your vision board be a source of inspiration and a constant reminder that your dreams are within reach. With dedication and focus, you can weave the tapestry of your dreams into reality, turning setbacks into stepping stones, embracing challenges on the path to success. The journey to wealth is not always smooth sailing. There will be bumps in the road, unexpected detours, and moments when you question everything. But it's in these moments of challenge that you have the opportunity to grow the most. Instead of viewing setbacks as failures, see them as valuable lessons. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this experience? How can I use this to become stronger and wiser? Each challenge you overcome brings you one step closer to your goals. Remember, even the most successful entrepreneurs and investors have faced their share of setbacks. It's their ability to persevere, to learn from their mistakes, and to come back stronger that sets them apart. Embrace the challenges, for they are shaping you into the person you need to be to achieve true wealth and abundance.